Hello everybody, my name is Edwin Johnson. I'm the owner of the Cutting Room Creative in Nanaimo, British Columbia, Canada. And today I'm going to be presenting a great little editorial upstyle for you that's got lots of different techniques. We've taken a section, vertical parting, and then we've taken another section from the front of that up to the front hairline, and then we've wrapped it around itself through the braid, so we hide the elastic and we've got the ends hanging out. We're going to repeat that technique on the opposite side. So we'll take a little bit of water. You just have to remember to go underneath. And just tie that off. Okay, so now that we finished our braid, I'm going to fold it back and I'm going to use a French pin to secure it down towards the scalp. So I'm just going to use my tail comb just to kind of loosen this off a little bit. And what we want to do is we want to pull the tail through. And I'm going to take a little bit of the THERMASHAPE 2-in-1 and I'm going to spray the end. So that completes everything the same on both sides. So now, I'm just going to gently lift the hair underneath. I'm going to take my two ponytails. I'm going to take my Makeover spray, and we want to spray this into the roots as we work up around the crown. And then we'll use the working spray . So what I've done is I've taken a needle and some elasticated string. And then when I like the tension, I can come back. And now I'm going to go into the top of the underneath braid. We're going to come into the braid on the opposite side. Again, we can just come into our knot behind the ear. So we can spread this out and then we can start to pull the shape. We can actually take the dry wax and sort of lift this hair up. And that's our finished look. I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you for spending the time with me, and we'll see you again next time. Thank you so much.